man. All right, so the continuation of all the other POVs that I've already recorded. So I was looking at the dealerships and stuff, got a little estimate on my little car and all that good stuff like that. Honestly, you know, they're not really offering much. Some salesman want to buy it off me. I'm probably not gonna trade it in or sell it yet, bro. Not yet, man. It's not worth a crap ton of money, but it's worth something, bro, for sure. But I'm going to the movies today, so go to the movies and do that, and that's probably it today. Yeah, nothing too crazy. I want to go this way. Yeah, let's go this way. Actually, let me put on the GPS real quick. Let's see. I don't even know where we going to, bro. Shoot, we supposed to be going to the movies, bro. I'm gonna just go right here. We're gonna leave it right there. Ooh, shoot, everything falling over in the car, man. Hold on, let me go back to my preview so I can see what y'all seeing right now. All right. And trust me, bro, you can't. The GoPro is not doing the complete justice, bro. I would raise it on the window, but it's extremely windy outside, man. I don't know y'all want to hear it. I'll probably raise it down and crack it a little bit, just so my GoPro won't overheat a little bit. The only thing that can mess up this POV is if my girl call. Because then I gotta answer the phone. Well, actually, I can answer it through the thingy. Never mind. I'll answer it through the thingy. She ain't even called yet, so I don't know. I'm worried about it, bro. Oh, excuse me. And let me know what y'all prefer, man. A little bit of chatting between the videos, the POVs, or do you want just straight ASMR, straight V8? You know what I'm talking about? Straight noise. So I'm gonna give it to you every time. It's always somebody messing up. Let me turn it off, bro. Let me crack this one a little bit. Make sure the GoPro can flow. Let me stop this navigation. gonna just ride, bro. I ain't even going over there. Get on this highway. When we go on the highway, I'm probably got to raise these windows up though. Or I'll let it flow. I'll let it flow. You know what I'm saying? Just go with the flow type shit. But yeah, like I was talking about in the last POV, I was thinking about getting the 5.0 liter V8 Genesis of the same type of car. Same type of car. That was a Hellcat Durango back there. You know, they let them hear a little sample. Honestly, I feel like this car would definitely gap a Hellcat Durango for sure, bro. Hellcat Durangos and TRXs are way too slow, man. They just too heavy, bro. They too heavy, and that's the downfall of them. But Trackhawk, oh no, I ain't messing with it. I ain't messing with the Trackhawk. Trackhawk a different breed though. Durango and TRX, I can mess with those. Shoot, Durangos, any Durango really. Shoot, trucks too. Pickup trucks can get it too, man. Shoot, I did race a Hellcat Charger, but that was what, another Hellcat Durango? Bro, it's Hellcat Durango Day. Everybody popping out with their toys today, bro. Man, crazy, man. But yeah, let's see if we can line it up with a Hellcat Durango. Hey, I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind at all. That's what we need for the POVs. You feel me? We need some content. We need some content. Hey, and that nigga turned into a Toy Story character. Let me stop playing, bro. Oh shoot. I figure out where my girlfriend is too, bro. I don't know where they at. Oh, whoa. Hopefully my GoPro don't overheat again. I did put a new sorry, I got my hands on the way. I did put a new what is it called? What is it called? Shit, I can't think of the word. Oh, SD card. Yeah, put new SD card in. I had to transfer over the other files from my other one. Ooh, that baby is screaming. That baby is screaming. I'm gonna try to keep these mugs to like 10 minutes. Just to so the video won't be crazy long. Or I might make it a little bit longer, you know what I'm saying? I might do we got like what, 44 minutes left on this SD card to fill it up, and the battery is like at 50. 50% is nasty. Oh man, we got a little Mercedes C300 back here riding my bumper. That stuff's low. I mean, bro, these cars are cool, bro. These cars is low-key, sleeper, man. You know, you can get on anybody with it. Then you're gonna have a lot of people on your bumper trying to see, what is that? They looking. I'm like, what he riding in? What kind of Genesis is that? I thought Genesis only had V6s and stuff like that. You know how people be. Let me adjust this real quick. Pull it down a little bit or something. It looks like it's a little crooked. Yeah, they don't think the Hellcat Durango back there no more, man. He left the building. Them BMW SUVs. I haven't raced one, but one did try to race me before. But you know, I wasn't trying to race during that time. I was just chilling at the light, so I just let him go in and go by his business. He was launching that thing and everything. Yeah, them X6Ms, X6M, yeah, I said it right. Yeah, X6M. Shit, that sound like I'm saying XS. I'm getting tongue twister, goddamn. But yeah, man, those are fast too. That's like a BMW's Trackhawk right there. Got over 600 horsepower, 4.4 liter V8, I think, bi-turbo if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, those go crazy too though. I was thinking about getting a BMW too. I just want so many cars though, man. So I don't really know. I don't even know. I don't know. I want so many. But man, but also if y'all, for those that are new, which many of you are, yeah, this is my daily driver, man. 2010 Hyundai Genesis 4.6 liter V8 sedan. So yeah, we got the seats in the back. Seats in the back for the kiddos. I ain't got no kids, so I don't even use them seats, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's about it, man. Don't even use it. But yeah, it's a chill little Saturday, man. Ain't got nothing to do, bro. Well, nothing important to do. Let me say that. It's always something to do, man. Always something to do. But important things to do, none today. But honestly, to be honest with you, bro, selling this car, I kind of don't even really want to sell it or trade it in, to be honest with you, bro. You know, I know the salesman was interested in like trying to buy it off me and stuff like that, but probably not gonna let you have it. But